Hello YouTube. Green machine from his favorite spot in the garden. This is where I sit looking at my fish, but I also have to add a little quality to my life. I put up birdhouses. I put up a few up in the forest, and I really enjoy watching the birds in spring and summer. But I found a man not far from me that do the same thing, just collect leftover wood and make birdhouses. But this was at a totally different level. So I had to get two of them off his hands. I think really beautiful work. So I'm just gonna get them oiled in and put them up in the trees. I'm so happy to find this. It's craftsmanship at totally next level from me. So really excited about that. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care, stay safe, bye.